guys, it's Craft Good Studio.
And today we're going to make some fake food. We saw these beads at the craft store and we decided to make them as apples. I'm going to be making a green apple with the green paint and yellow to blend it. And I'm going to be using the red, orange, and pink paint to make a reddish orangey color for my apple. After your apple is dry, use triple thick to seal in the paint and make it shiny and beautiful. Now we're finished with our apples. Doop. We're going to turn this cleaning brush into a popcorn. We're going to trim the sponge into a more rounded shape. Now we're going to wiggle out the foam out of the handle. We found this little box and now we're going to use it for the popcorn. And now get some paper and then crumble it up and stick it in the box to make it look more full. You're going to grab one end and you're going to glue it into the box. We're going to cover the sponge with white paint. Grab some white 3D puffy paint and you're going to make the popcorn come to life. After you're done putting the white puffy paint on, your popcorn should look like this. Now you're going to add some tannish color paint for the kernel. It looks so real. Now I'm ready for a movie. Yeah. With 3D paint, it takes longer to dry. You need to wait overnight. we're going to be making a bowl of noodles with the pool noodle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and check out our other videos on our channel. Bye!